we are doing a Gujarati cooking class.
Then from between, like this, then from here. Yes.
Yeah, follow them. waiting कोविड में तो भी उनके पीछे पूजा करनी थी तब इसलिए सूरत में इनका मतलब इसका दुनिया थोड़ा सा दादी है ना दादी
What is your name? Gita.
We've got tomato, lady's finger, carrot and cabbage, cucumber, and the bag.
northern part they used to make vegetable turmeric
Oil.
ghee or oil
Oil.
oil
Just step back a minute. Because I'm videoing it.
which kind of oil is that?
Vegetable probably. Sunflower.
Cotton seed oil. Cotton seed oil. It's very popular here in Gujarat because the rest of parts they use mustard oil or soya bean oil, but because they grow cotton a lot here in Gujarat, so they once they remove cotton, they have seeds inside, so they get seed oil in chili mills. It's very popular, especially here in Gujarat.
It's like a little spices thing. We've got this at home. You remember?
Your mom used to. These are all already grind.
So you have
Cumin,
turmeric,
turmeric,
chili, masala, or garam masala. Tarragon.
this is
Tarragon.
no
Coriander powder.
coriander.
Coriander powder, cumin seed,
Salt.
salt, and pepper.
भैया तुमको बड़ी नहीं आता है
Right.
mustard.
Oh, mustard seeds.
Yeah.
Mustard seeds.
आसान नहीं बोलती नाकी में बसी
Masala.
वो करेगा अगर ये काम करूँगा हमारे पैसे नहीं दूँगा तो फिर वैसे ये काम क्यों करा वो यही दे देगा आपने देगा ना ये उनका सही है
Lady's fingers. I think it's. I have seen them. And you learned to cook from your mum?
Yeah.
She taught you?
Yeah.
What's this one?
This is garlic.
Garlic.
Yes, garlic and chili powder and salt. Trust me.
Breaks up into the oil. So that it absorbs it. Mmm. Coriander, correct?
Yes.
Love coriander.
Fried rice. It's like make that veg biryani.
Mmm.
Pulao or veg biryani.
The smells are just amazing. Smells are delicious.
I think in French we call vermicelle.
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 And rice. Wow, smells are intense.
Put it in.
My mum used to always say, you have to get your hand. Exactly how it is. This bit was always difficult.
So we leave here, you have to in
Yeah, perfect size.
a pump.
Yeah. See, I just don't. Straight away, look how round it is already. It's perfect.
કાંઈ નહીં એ લોકો મેં પૂછ્યું કે તમારે રૂમ કંપની કયો તો તમને બીજા વ્યવસ્થા કરે ને મેં કીધું ભાઈ હું દુકાન બતાવતો હતો એટલે ન્યાય એની પાસે આપણે ઘરે બેઠો તો તમારે દુકાન ન બતાવો.
Does she get any pain in her wrist or anything, or no? How old was she when she first learned to do this?
बॉबी के कितने छोटे थे तो सीखा था रोटी बनाना?
8 years.
8 years.
8 years old. So I'd assume my mum was probably the same then. 8 years old probably when she learned.